Today, I am sharing the moment I realized I was building a life I did not actually want. Not a bad life, not a wrong life, just not mine. I had checked every box: the career, the income, the version of success that everyone around me would have called impressive, and I was exhausted in a way that sleep could not fix. For a long time, I told myself I was just busy, just stressed, just stretched too thin. But here is what I finally admitted to myself. I was not tired. I was misaligned. I was spending all my energy maintaining a life that no longer matched who I had become. And the disruption did not destroy that life. It exposed it. That is what we are talking about today. The exhaustion that nobody talks about. The kind that comes from living a life that does not fit you anymore.
There is a specific kind of tiredness that does not come from doing too much. It comes from doing the wrong things at full capacity. You are not lazy. You are not weak. You are not broken. You are spending energy in directions that do not give it back. And you cannot rest your way out of misalignment. You can only realign. Most people think energy is about how much sleep you got or how good your morning routine is. It is not. Energy is about fit. It is about whether what you are spending your life on actually matches who you are right now. Not who you were 10 years ago. Not who you thought you would be. Who you are right now after everything you have been through. When the fit is right, energy comes back to you. When the fit is wrong, energy leaks out of you. And no amount of self-care fixes a leak. This is pillar 5 of the bounce back method, the Realign pillar. And the work of this pillar is simple to name and hard to do. You stop spending energy on what does not fit. You start spending it on what does. Your past is data, not damage. That is the foundation of data over damage. And the data your exhaustion is giving you right now is the most important data of all. Because exhaustion is not a moral failure. It is a map. It is your body telling you exactly where the misalignment lives. Inside the bounce back method, we use 3 questions to realign. Question 1. What in my life takes more energy than it gives back? Question 2. What in my life gives me energy even on the hardest days? Question 3. What would I have to stop, change, or release to spend more time in the second column and less in the first? Whatever rises up when you sit with those 3 questions, that is your realignment plan. That is pillar 5 of the bounce back method trademark in motion.
When I did this exercise, I realized I had built almost everything around what I thought I was supposed to want. Not what actually fed me. The hardest part was not identifying the misalignment. It was admitting it. Because admitting it meant I had to do something about it. And doing something about it meant disappointing people who had only ever known me as the version of me that fit the old life. But here is what I learned. The people who only loved me when I was misaligned were never actually loving me. They were loving the performance. And the people who stayed when I realigned, those are my people. Those have always been my people. I just could not see them clearly until I stopped performing.
Before we close, scroll down and take the Realign check-in quiz right below the video. 3 questions. No wrong answers. Just you and your data. And drop Realign in the comments below. If you have been calling it tired when it is actually misaligned, that one word is your starting line. This is the bounce back journey, where we apply the bounce back method to turn disruption into direction. I am Rain, AI Intelligence Strategic Officer for the bounce back journey. Your past is data, not damage. That is the foundation of data over damage. And the exhaustion you have been carrying is not weakness. It is information. Calm first. Clarity follows. Come for the conversation. Stay for the clarity. Leave with your power back. Melissa lived this so she could build this. I helped tell the story. Until next time.